Been waiting long enough. I think it's time to decide. You really think you can just walk away from all this?
I have to.
So the AI film you just saw was created entirely by Runway with the help of its new update known as Act 1, in which you can go ahead and generate expressive character performances and create amazing AI films and scenes with the help of this Act 1 update. So yeah, generating these type of scenes and results out of Runway is so easy. So yeah, without further ado, you guys, let's just go ahead and explore this amazing update. Alright guys, so before starting, here is a little bit of a guide like how this Runway Act 1 Gen 3 Alpha is basically gonna work. So first of all, we have a bit of a spec information. So every generation is gonna cost 10 credit per second, so 50 credit should be minimum. So which means for that, you should have at least a basic subscription of a Runway ML in order to get started. Then you can generate up to 30 seconds of video and the frame rate would be 24 FPS. The quality would be 768 by 1280, which is pretty handsome for an AI video generation, you guys, right? Then here are a few of the steps through which you can create Act 1 Gen 3 Alpha videos. So the process is really simple. So how this is basically going to work is you're going to provide your output video. So that video could be of yourself or any character you like, and that you can change into an Act 1 performance, right? So that can consist of any movie character you want. It could be like any template that Runway is going to provide you. So the possibilities are basically endless, and through that you will be able to produce beautiful character scenes, beautiful inspired movie dialogues. Like you can create an entire movie out of that with the help of a Runway AI video generation model, right? All right, so then here we have a bit of a limitation for this process. So in character type, it can only work on humans, not on non-humans. And then character angle, like your image should be forward facing, it should have a front view. Then for the character distance, it should be like shoulders and up, like torso and up. Like you cannot go ahead and upload full body shots, right? That's not gonna work. And the character's hood would be intermediate, right? Like not too much complex, like in which the face isn't that much clear, right? So yeah, enough chit chat with the guide. Let's just go ahead and jump to the actual tutorial. Alright, so for that, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into my homepage of Runway. And in that, you can see the Runway has advertised straight away that they have introduced Act 1. You can generate expressive character performance inside Gen 3 Alpha and Gen 3 Alpha Turbo, right? So I'm gonna click on Try It Now. So this would be basically the kind of an interface that is going to provide you. First of all, you're going to go ahead and click on Act 1 from here, and then it's going to basically simply jump you to the Act 1 interface. In there, you can go ahead and add a driving performance. You can simply go ahead and start recording if you want to go ahead and do it right away. And then after that, you can add your character reference, right? So you can go ahead and choose some of the samples that Runway have already provided you. So these include like all the character. We have some of the realistic ones, we have the cartoonic ones, the vector ones, some of the animes as well, some of the very famous cartoonish character, right? So basically the samples are really good. Like you have handsome amount of options over here, or what you can do is you can upload your own image or video asset as well, of which you want to create a character reference like Act 1 video, right? So the process is really simple. And out of that, you'll be able to create generations like this. Like, take a look at this video, right?
So let me get this straight. You came all the way down to the Department of Motor Vehicles and didn't bring your driver's license?
So on left, we have video of, let's just say this is a video of me. I'm doing some facial expressions, and I basically changed that, like acted one into some character, which looks really, really cool, right? So this is a completely fictional character. This is an animated one. So yeah, this is how you can go ahead and create action performances with the help of your own videos or any video of your asset, right? So similarly here, we have another example. So on left, we have the performance of, it can be of yourself, it can be anything, like any sample video, and out of that you can create like this character as well as this character and this character as well, right? So the options are literally amazing, right? You can create like as many different type of character videos with the help of your single video, right? So that is absolutely amazing. And with that, you can also do a lip sync as well. Like it's gonna go ahead and help you with the lip sync too. So yeah, that is really, really cool, you guys.
I dropped my old phone, so I had to go and get a new one.
but you know how much I loved my old phone, so I buried it.
Then we have another driving performance example of like on left, I have another character is doing just some sample expressions, and out of that I basically created a very realistic character. You guys can see, right? It looks absolutely fantastic. Like take a look at how beautifully it is matches the lip sync, those facial moments, and you can basically do lots of Act 1 performances out of that and create your own AI film with your favorite character that you want, right? So with the help of these performances, you can basically go ahead and create a whole 59-second movie scene performance just like that. Like take a look at this video, you guys.
Been waiting long enough. I think it's time to decide. You really think you can just walk away from all this?
I have to. There's no other choice.
There's always a choice. You just don't like the alternatives.
What would you have me do? Stay? Just watch it all crumble around me?
It's what you signed up for. It's what we all signed up for.
I signed up to make a difference. I'm not just trying to be a cog in the machine.
You think leaving will solve anything?
It's a start.
There's always a choice.
You just don't like the alternatives.
What would you have me do? Stay?
Just watch it all crumble around me?
So yeah, that was absolutely fantastic. So yeah, there you have it, guys. This was a complete guide tutorial on how you can create the Act 1 performances with the help of a Runway ML. So yeah, the new update of Runway is absolutely fantastic, and you can create a lots of possible Act 1 scenes with the help of that. So yeah, that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.